Yes, we were calculating the 3.4, sorry 3.5, and in 3.5 we have done up to the E degree cell. Now after it is degree cell, we have to find out the Nernst equation, and that's why we have to put here Nernst equation. And you know Nernst equation is nothing but the this is the Nernst equation, and this is the value of Nernst equation. Okay, now in play, in everything we are going to replace the value, and there the values will be, in place of E degree cell we can write E cell is equal to minus 2.71, that is come from here. So hope that you understand this. This is come from here, E degree cell. Okay, we have find out the number of electron in both are 2. See here, banana upper number of electron 2 are there, and that's why we are taking number of electron 2, and anode by cathode, that is our knowledge. Okay, so that we have put. Now here we are going to replace the concentration. Now which concentration is given? Come on, check out the concentration. So concentration of Mg, the concentration of Mg is given 0.01. So in plus of Mg plus 2 we will write 0.01, and concentration of that is given 0.2 this. So that's why that we can write this. Okay, so here is the our value. So hope that you understand this value. Now we are going to put another part of this, and that is the calculation. Okay, so replacing this value we will get this. Replacing the value, we are getting mg plus 2 ની જગ્યા પર 0.01. હવે આ બે ડિવાઇડ થશે 10 થઈ જશે, log 10 1 થાય છે. So this will be the total answer, 2.71 in minus 0.0295 into 1 is equals to 2.68 will be the answer. Okay, so this first person, that is first question is solved, and going to do the second question, and second question is this is our second question, and I am writing this value there. So please look at out the second question and how I am going to calculate that also. એની અંદર આપણા પાસે ડાયરેક્ટ E degree cell શોધી નાખીએ. First point is always to do E degree cell, so I am doing E degree cell. So E degree cell is equals to E degree cathode minus E degree anode. Here hydrogen cell is given whose potential is always 0, and E degree we have Fe ની આપણે minus 0.44 જોયું છે. So that's why here E degree cell of that cell is equals to nothing but the 0.44 is the answer. Okay, so this is our second point. Second question is this. Okay, so you understand, hope that this is the second question. And now what is the second part of this second question? Once you have find out E degree cell, now you have to write Nernst equation. So dear students, everyone know now the Nernst equation, so I am representing here Nernst equation again back for you. And now we have to replace the value in the Nernst equation, and when we replace the value in the Nernst equation, it will look like this. Check out કેવું દેખાશે. Nernst equation ની અંદર આપણે આ value મૂકી દઈએ છીએ. So that's why this will be our answer કે E degree cell 0.44 આવ્યો છે, and also Fe plus 2 અને H plus 2. Here also, here interesting, જો આ બંનેને આપણે લઈએ તો here interesting portion that you have to think out. Okay, where is the second question? Second question is here, and I am showing you something. આ plus 2 છે. Okay, and અહીંયા આપણા પાસે plus 1 છે. So here we have to make the LCM of both. આ બંનેનો તમારે શું કરવો પડશે? LCM you have to draw out. And what is the LCM? LCM is nothing but the 1 into 2 is equals to 2 is the answer. Okay, so 2 is the LCM. But here, as 2 is the LCM, but what is problem? The problem is this કે ભાઈ અહીંયા હાઇડ્રોજન એક જ વાર છે, તો હાઇડ્રોજન we have to take 2 times, and that's why we are taking there the square of the things. Okay, એટલા માટે આપણે ત્યાં શું લીધું છે? અહીંયા આનું સ્ક્વેર લઈ લીધું છે. that you can remember કે આપણે શું લઈ લઈએ છે ત્યાં? square. So here hydrogen નો square છે. You are getting this? Now put the value of required material. So what is the now required? Fe plus 2 અને H plus નું શું કરીશું કોન્સ્ટન્ટ છે and that I am replacing here. See, concentration of Fe plus 2 is given 0.001 and hydrogen is given 1. હવે અહીંયા 1 નો સ્ક્વેર હોય છે. So this will be square of the 1. 1 square is 1 and that's why remaining 0.01. 0.0295 log 0.001. That is nothing but the -3. Calculator માં કરો અને પછી multiply કરશો. So this will be the our answer. So hope that you get this answer. Okay, now important thing કે third અને fourth તમારે જાતે કરવાના છે. So today 3 homework I have given. Okay, આગલા લેસન નો આગલા ક્વેશ્ચન નો બીજો અને આનો ત્રીજો ને ચોથો એમ total you have to do. So I am writing here homework you have to do are nothing but the 3 homework you have to do. So 3.4 question no second, okay, and 3.5 question ના તમારે કરવાના છે 3 and 4. So total these are the your homework. So hope that you understand this and you will perform. Homework is my thinking and you will do this. Okay, so now next question is nothing but the 3.6 question we are going to do. And 3.6 question, what is given in question, let's read it. Okay, see, in the button cell widely used in watches and other devices, the following reaction taking place. Zn is going to convert into Zn plus 2, Ag2O is going to convert into the Ag, and H2O is going to convert into the OH minus. See here, હું ડાયરેક્ટ આવી રીતે જ બોલીશ. આ ઇક્વેશન ને વાંચવાની તમે મેથડ જુઓ. હું શું બોલ્યો? Zn is converting into the Zn plus 2. Ag2O, that is the Ag is converting into the Ag. Okay, and also H2O is converting into the OH minus. So this is the written there, and using this we have to follow now the answers. Okay, so now for solution we are going to do, and in solution first step will be हैरान करे છે ખાલી ખાલી. Okay, ચલો. So in solution first of all we have to write the values of cell potential of half cell seeing into the okay box. Dear students, don't worry, these values are given into the questions. અહીંયા નથી આપેલા આ એક્સરસાઇઝમાં. એ લોકો ઈચ્છા રાખે છે કે ગણવાનો, પણ બોર્ડની એક્ઝામમાં અને સ્કૂલની એક્ઝામમાં એ તમને લખીને જ આપશે. So you don't worry. So first we have find out again the value, that is the Zn plus 2 minus 0.6 અને Ag2O માંથી Ag. જો ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ પાછું જરાક ધ્યાન આપજો કે Ag2O માંથી Ag ની વેલ્યુ 0.344 છે, while Ag plus 2 જે ખાલી છે તેની વેલ્યુ 1.06 kV છે. So remember this. Okay, these are the different things. Okay, so once you are writing value, so first priority will be to find out E degree cell, and that we are doing here. We are finding E degree cell here. Check out how E degree cell is determined. Every time E degree cathode minus anode. Cathode is silver 0.344 and anode is our zinc, and that is minus 0.76, and we have replaces this value and we got the answer 1.104. Now here we have to find what delta Rg. હવે આપણે અહીંયા શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે? delta Rg. Yeah, now you know યાર કે delta Rg ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે તમારી શાની જરૂર પડશે? minus NF E degree cell, and that you have find out. So now we will put the formula delta Rg is equals to minus NF E degree cell, and here is the E degree cell that you are got the answer. I will put here E degree, so there is no problem for you. Okay, so E degree cell I have taken here, and minus 2.96500 into 1.104, that previous answer was there, and the final answer is 213.08 kilojoule. So with this we have completed, with these two videos we have completed exercise 3.6 up to question of exercise 3. Okay, so hope that you understand. Very simple. First find out E degree cell, first find out the table half cells reaction, and do the rest of the calculation Hope that you understand this and enjoy it.